What is communitarianism? Broadly construed, communitarianism refers to a social and political philosophy which puts emphasis on the importance of community in the functioning of political life, as well as in the analysis and evaluation of political institutions and in understanding human well-being and identity. In particular, communitarianism emphasizes the dynamic connection between persons and the community. This explains why at the core of the doctrine of communitarianism is belief that a person's social identity and personality are largely shaped and influenced by community relations. It is important to note that although a family is a community in itself, communitarianism, viewed in a wider and philosophical sense, is a collection of interactions among a community of people in a given place, or among a community who share an interest or who share a history. In this way, communitarianism usually opposes extreme individualism and rejects extreme laissez-faire policies that deprioritize the stability of the overall community. Historically speaking, communitarianism emerged in the 1980s as a critique of two prominent philosophical schools, namely, contemporary liberalism, which seeks to protect and enhance personal autonomy and individual rights in part through the activity of government, and libertarianism, a form of liberalism that aims to protect individual rights, especially the rights to liberty and property, through strict limits on governmental power. However, the term communitarianism was coined in 1841 by John Goodwin Barmby, a leader of the British Chartist movement, who used it in referring to utopian socialists and other idealists who experimented with communal styles of life. But then again, it was not until the 1980s that the term communitarianism gained currency through association with the work of a small group of political philosophers. Their application of the label communitarian was controversial, even among communitarians, because, in the West, the term evokes associations with the ideologies of socialism and collectivism. So, public leaders, and some of the academics who champion this school of thought, usually avoid the term communitarian, while still advocating and advancing the ideas of communitarianism.